My name is Gary Gatso, and I wanted to talk about my most recent full conceal purchase, and that is the Model M3S. This is the Glock 43 platform. As you can see, it still fits behind a iPhone Plus. Thanks for the prop for my daughter. I just recently got this about a month ago. I got it in the middle of last month. I purchased it at the beginning of June. This reason why I wanted a full conceal gun is not only its small platform and form factor, but mainly because I drive a car that doesn't have a lot of parts to stick a gun, and it works really well just kind of down here on the floorboard. Now, this is legal in the state of Indiana. That's where we're from. We're at Shoot Point Blank here in Carmel, Indiana. You know, if I have like even the folding Glock 19, that would be a little bit bigger down there. Even a full 17, it doesn't fit very well down there. This does real well. Even better, it just slides right on in if you have cargo pants and you don't have to worry about too much of an odd bulge anyways. But it sits right there and it's nice and comfortable. I've taken it to public places before, put it in there, no one's noticed anything, no one said anything, but hey, that's the part about conceal. It's no one's supposed to know, and you're not really supposed to tell anybody. So that's why I have it there. So that's the main reason why I purchased the full conceal. I think I saw an internet ad, and at the time you just had the 19 platform, and I was going to get the 19 platform, and then the 43 platform came out. I think that would do better for what I was wanting it for, and that's why I chose that. Actually, seeing the full conceal gun for the first time and the full conceal concept is what got me to get my first gun. This isn't my first gun. It's like our 5th or 6th by this point, but this is kind of what got me into looking down getting a personal firearm path, was the actual seeing the first ad that somehow came to me. I don't know exactly how I got it, but that's how I got it. It was a full conceal ad on the internet. I just clicked on it. I was like, oh, that looks interesting. Click, 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 and you know, it's like jumping down the Wikipedia rabbit hole. You start clicking, and then who knows where you are, and that's what happened. So the next thing I'm going to buy, well, from full conceal, I'll probably like to get maybe a couple more magazines for the 43, but that's kind of about it. Well, I fully endorse this type of product for anybody that was thinking about a gun that's easy to conceal, that's folding, that's probably got some good stopping power to it. I definitely recommend either the 19 version or the 43 version. Either are really good. I think my actual next gun will be a SIG P226, but we'll see about that. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go inside Shoot Point Blank here. We're going to get in a lane, and we brought some other guns with us. I brought the 17 Gen 5, got a Glock 26 Gen 3, and so what we're going to do is compare those sizes to this, and then you'll see me unfold it and take a couple rounds downrange and see how easy it is to shoot.